my opinion, this is the best wheel and tire cleaner out there. Link in my bio for this. However, you can see in my car just the browning and craziness that is on here. I don't know if these tires have ever like really seen like a wheel cleaner. Just watch how much this is going to pull off without even agitating it. So one thing that I want to try and fix is my rotors, wheel hub, whatever you want to call them, just have an enormous amount of rust on them. So I have a product I want to use just to try and clean them up. The fronts aren't too bad, but these back ones are just really bad. So I'm going to try something on these. I don't know how safe it is if I get it on my rims, because this has to set for a little bit, but I'm gonna use this, you know, and it clings to the surface. Takes some time to kind of stay on there, but I don't know if it's gonna jack up my rims or not. But at the end of the day, I'm gonna replace them eventually, so we'll give it a go. So initial results, better than what it was. I'm still not overly impressed by it. I think it really just depends on how long these have been caked on here, but it did remove some. I do think the proper way to do this is take a hard wire brush, take the wheels off, and really scrub it really good. And, you know, and it can look a lot better, but yeah, I don't know. And I don't know what that is. But yeah, I'm gonna go over it again. I let this sit for plenty, but I'm gonna go over it again and see what results I get. I'm gonna try and maybe scrub them a little bit and see how that looks, but it looks a little better. Okay, this is after round 2 of the rust remover gel, and it's not dry. I can still tell it's there, but it is working it off. I think if I had a wire brush and had the wheels off, they would come off, but you can see there I still got a pretty strong coating of it. I actually am going to take some essential oils, some lemon. If you actually take lemon and baking soda and agitate it, it will act as a rust remover, but I really don't feel like agitating it. So I'm just going to spray it on, see what it does. Then I'm going to do one final round of the rust remover gel. All right, this is with some agitation after the lemon oil and after 2 rounds of the rust remover gel. We're getting there. We're about there. So I'm gonna do another coat, let it sit on for a while, scrub it, then probably call it good. I am going to eventually replace these with slotted rotors just so they look nicer, but I just wanted it to be a little bit cleaner, and just in terms of rust and just kind of looking at it. So I'm gonna do another good round of this with the gel, let it sit for about 20-30 minutes, scrub it, and then yeah, then I'm gonna call it good. So finished product, guys. Not perfect, but I would say about 90% is gone. This up here I'm not worried about, just because is the, you know, is the pad, you know, goes around the rotor, it's gonna remove that. But just the wheel hub, if you guys saw kind of the first picture, it was pretty nasty. So I actually did end up scrubbing these. I would say the lemon oil with a lot of drops and just a little bit of water worked really well. So I would say this product works good. I'll leave a link in the description below for it. But yeah, if you're looking to remove rust off of your rotors, this is how you can do it. And I will eventually be replacing these probably with some slotted rotors, but overall happy with the results. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. Thank you guys. We'll catch you on the next one.